Let's start by understanding how the trade-in feature works for NSTI items in your POS system. Instead of creating a new item code for every trade-in, you'll set up just one code per category, like trade-in phones, and manage all trade-ins under that single code. In the Dock Item Maintenance applet, create a new item with type set to NSTI. Fill out the necessary fields and save it as your main trade-in code. When processing a trade-in at the POS, simply select the trade-in item, enter the agreed price and serial number, then add it. This approach streamlines inventory management and makes tracking trade-in items much more efficient. When adding a trade-in phone, start by searching for your established code, such as trade-in phones, in the POS system. Enter all required details including the unit price, which in this example is 200. Don't forget to input the unique serial number for each device. Once everything's filled out, choose your settlement type. Here it's cash, and confirm the amount. Click ADD to finalize the acquisition. This ensures that both the item and payment are accurately recorded, providing a reliable audit trail for every trade-in process through the NSTI applet. The NSTI applet serves as your command center for tracking every trade-in. Each time you complete a trade-in, the system automatically creates an NSTI stock entry with a unique code, serial number, and purchase details. Think of each row as a digital card representing one specific item, like a phone or laptop, making it easy to see what's in stock and its original purchase price. When it's time to sell, search for the item code in POS, select the right serial number, enter your selling price, and finalize the transaction. This process keeps your inventory records accurate and up to date. For detailed tracking, the NSTI applet lets you review every movement of your trade-in stock, both acquisitions and disposals, by serial number. You can easily see when an item was added to inventory, its purchase cost, and when it was sold or removed. The stock movement table provides a clear record of each transaction, including document numbers, dates, transaction types, quantities, prices, and amounts. This transparent history helps you maintain precise inventory control and supports thorough auditing of all NSTI trade-in activities.